wick, I'll stay in. Even though it's a demo trade, I'm treating it like if it was a real one. If I don't have a purpose, I feel useless. But let's start this run. Let's get to it. I look crazy right now, bro. Tell me why the fuck I forgot to turn my car off for a whole ass hour. This is what we got going on right now. I'm about to make some eggs with cheese. I realized I don't even record when I wake up besides my push-ups. I'm gonna start implementing that. Right now I'm getting ready for work. It's currently 4:35. You can see it's dark. I wake up early every day. Yesterday I went to bed at around, I wanna say 11:30, making that banger as fucking thumbnail. But yeah, man, this is my morning routine. About to take a shower, brush my teeth, already finished my prayer, hit my push-ups. And yeah, man, let's get to it. I'm trading on demo, but y'all can see I had an entry at this level, and pretty much that's been dumping right now. So I'm trying to see it reach this level. I want to see the next 5-minute candle open right now and give me an indication that's going to push past this level right here, because you see it just retraced, it just had a pullback. See it around one of these two levels right here, this one or this one. If the next 5-minute opens lower than this wick, I'll stay in. Even though it's a demo trade, I'm treating it like if it was a real one. Good morning, boys. Welcome back. As y'all seen, I made $500 today. I was trading on Trade-of-8, and pretty much I'm telling you guys, my execution, my psychology, all these small things that I need in order for me to be a great trader, I have those traits, right? It's just a matter of coming into the game. Whoa, I got a shit ton of trash in the car. It's just a matter of me bringing these same habits, this same mindset into a live account, right? Yes, I can make thousands of dollars trading demo. There's no emotions attached to the demo. Even though, like, when I go into the combines, there shouldn't be no emotions, because it's the same thing as a demo account, right? It's, in reality, at the end of the day, all you would lose, going back to yesterday's video, all you would lose if you take on a combine on a 50K challenge or a 100K challenge, you would be losing $50 through $100. Like, that's all you would really be losing. So I'm going to stick to the demo for right now, like I said, until the end of the year, to build that habit of just going in, not caring about going in and just focused on my execution, right? Being able to watch the trade go by. If my bias indicates one thing, that's what I'm going to start gravitating to. I gotta gravitate to my bias. I gotta gravitate into my beliefs, right? If I believe the market's gonna do such a thing, I should stick to what I say, you know? On that note, boys, you already know what I'm about to do. I'm about to go for this little run, hit my second round of push-ups. And yeah, man, it's freezing cold today again. It's been staying under 50 degrees, around 40 or 50 degrees. That's just cold to me. And I mean, it don't matter. I still gotta do the things I gotta do, because how you do one thing is how you do everything, right? If I revert back to my old habits and I skip a workout, eventually everything is just going to, it eventually is going to create a snowball effect, and I'm going to go back to that old version of me, which is what we're trying to run away from, right? Let me go inside, change real quick, and I'll see you guys out here. It's fucking cold, brothers. It's fucking cold, but we gotta do this. What's pushing me to do this is my boy was telling me at work, he's like, bro, you want to sleep at 11:30 and you look fresh. It's because I'm used to this shit. I want to keep pushing. I gotta do things with intention, you know? If I don't have a purpose, I feel useless. But let's start this run. Let's get to it. Fucking shit. Just finished. Damn, that shit got me tired. These runs in the cold are the hardest ones. But it don't matter. You gotta finish. You gotta push through. You can fall so many times, but
just keep showing up. Eventually, each loss equivalates to your success. Trust me, every loss is going to make your success even greater. Let me go upstairs, finish with the push-ups, take a shower, make some breakfast. Let's get to it.
I'm tired, boys. I'm fucking tired. Man, I feel like those are the same as these ones. If I can't do one completely, I don't give up. I just do it on my knees. That's how I started. That's how I build myself up to do more push-ups throughout the time period that I started. You'll find a way out. Like I was talking about, your failures only dictate your success, right? I could have gave up, right? Tired, haven't slept. We're gonna keep pushing. Keep fucking pushing, boys. Today, at night, I do kettlebells, things. Ooh, I hate that. But yeah, it only gets better, boys. It only gets better. It's just the mental block that you guys gotta overcome. Right now, what's pushing me forward is this breakfast I'm about to smack right now. And the coffee that I get to drink every fucking day, because I do this shit every day, right? Let's get to it. I want to fucking shower. Had to switch the angle for the last 2 sets. Let's get to it. Woo. Shit. Fuck. Got the workout out the way. Remember that yesterday we did arms, boys. My shit is cooked. I finished my last 5 reps on my knees. It's part of it, right? I'm gonna show you guys everything that I do to get to where I'm going to get to. This is a part of my journey. Later, we're gonna be doing push-ups in our fucking $1 million house, right? After we have an amazing tray, we're gonna be doing push-ups after that shit, right? How you do one thing is how you do everything, right? That shit's out the way now. Now, let's hit the shower, make some breakfast, and keep on going with our day. Make it a productive ass day, and yeah, man, let's keep on working. This is what we got going on right now. I'm about to make some eggs with cheese. Butter's very good, honestly, that butter's very good. Got some asparagus. Yes, sir. It's been a very amazing, productive morning. I feel great. Honestly, switching my runs to the morning has been the best thing I've done so far, because after the run and after the push-ups, like, I already conquered the hardest part of my day, right? I feel like I can do anything I really put my mind to. And I just find myself being more productive, being less of a procrastinator, and just really sticking to what I gotta do, right? I was saying earlier in one of my Instagram stories that God is so great, man. I'm living through my blessings. I'm in the middle of my blessings. Yes, I'm so focused on the future. I'm so focused on these new things that I want, right? But I'm living through what I prayed for. Like, I prayed for what I currently have. Like, it's so crazy. In the Bible, it says, ask and you shall receive. Trust me, God is going to give you everything you ask for, but you got to work for it. You got to meet God halfway. You might be asking for patience. He's going to throw chaos to you, but you're going to learn, right? You're going to become patient by sticking through the hard times. It's so surreal, man. God is so great and amazing. The world looks so vibrant. I think I said it yesterday, like, everything looks so vibrant, so good. Like, I feel better, I look better, you know, like, I have this sense of, like, I don't know, I just feel better about everything, honestly. My perspective towards everything changed ever since I changed my routine. So I'm glad I did. Honestly, I'm glad I did. Yes, I've been a little bit tired, but it's part of it. Today I am a little bit more tired. Today my body does feel a little bit more beat up, for the simple fact that I went to sleep a little bit later than usual. But it's part of the process, right? I still gotta keep on doing the things that I gotta do. I have a 3-day weekend. I'm waiting for that because I can do so many things, but at the same time, like, I can't trade on the weekends. So what am I, you know, like, that's the only thing that I don't fucking like, because on the weekends I gotta get creative and drop some knowledge or do something else. Looking forward to that because I want to take my boy out, because he's always, I don't know, I just want to spend some good quality time with my son, besides just being with him at home for a couple minutes and stuff, and then rushing back to work and doing all this shit. Like, I actually want to take him out somewhere nice and just create more memories with him, right? At the end of the day, yes, I have to have the end goal clear, crystal clear, but we're in the midst of the blessings, right? Everything is eventually going to come, but don't forget to live in the moment, right? On that note, boys, I'm about to head to Walmart because I haven't had a coffee. I'm trying to stay away from buying coffees just because, I don't know, I was making my own coffee, but since I don't have a microwave and I moved, it's like I stopped buying the little packs. So I'm about to go get some. The little, it's like the mixing packs of the coffee. You just pour the hot water on it and some creamer. Go get that. The day's been amazing. We're up $500 for the day. I mean, even though, like, it's demo, bro, like, still, it's a win regardless, right? Because if it would have been a combine, it's the same shit, right? The goal is to be profitable. The goal is to have dubs, right? Like, that's the end goal. Every failure is going to bring more power to your success. Just remember that, boys. Let's get to it. Let's get the day started. Let's see how good this shit is, bro. I'm over here thinking it's fucking early, but the fucking clock in my car was wrong, bro. I'm not late, but I was like, oh, I still got time. I was taking my sweet ass time, and then I checked my phone. I'm like, what the fuck? But yeah, I got some coffee, some creamer. Let's go to work, make a cup of coffee. I look crazy right now, bro. Tell me why the fuck I forgot to turn my car off for a whole ass hour while I was at work. I was like, why the fuck are my keys locking the car? Then I went to grab my bag with my laptop and shit, bro. The car was still fucking on for a whole ass hour. Yeah, that's where my fucking mind is at right now. But we about to pull up to the crib and get to work. We got a lot of shit to do today. A lot of shit.